Hey, today I will show you how can you create Elementor pop-up for free. This is our website look, and if I reload our website, then you can see at this moment don't have any pop-up. Okay, first of all you have to download a plugin for create Elementor pop-up for free. Okay, plugin and add new plugin we have to click, then we have to click upload plugin and choose file. We have to upload plugin out from our computer. Open. I will give the plugin link on video description for download. Click install now, then click on active plugin. Okay, our plugin is activated. Now we have to go template and click on pop-up, and now we have to click add new pop-up, and here we have to give a name for pop-up. Okay, pop-up design, and we have to click create template. We have to wait for complete the loading. Okay, here have a lots of sample. If you have Elementor Pro with license, then you can take any pop-up from here. At this moment don't have any license hour, then we have to close it. We have to click on plus icon, and we have to select flex box and click the column, and now we will take a image module on here, and I will upload an image, and I'm selecting the image. And if we want to control width and height the pop-up, then we have to click here, then we can set container width and height, and I'm control from here width and height, and if I click here, then I can set container position. And if you want to change the pop-up height and width, then you have to click settings, and here you can control width. Okay, and now I am take a heading on here, and I am set a join with us, then I will take a form. Okay, form, then we have to take from module, and delete the message box. I will keep name and email field, and I will hide the label. And if you want to change the button color, then you have to go style and the click button. If you click on here, then you can change the background color, and if you want to change the text color, and you have to click here, then you can change the text color. Okay, and if I publish the pop-up, then we have to click on publish. Then if you want to set any condition, then you have to click add condition. And if you want to set full website, then you have to set the entire website, and if you want archive page and singular page, then you can set from here, and we have to click next, and have a lots of condition option. Then you can from here you can set condition. Okay, I'm selecting the first one and the next, and here have a lots of condition, then you can set. If you want, click on save and close. Okay, if I reload our website, then we can see our pop-up is ready. In this way you can create Elementor pop-up for free. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you benefited from my video, please like and subscribe